The BMW range has been growing exponentially over the past decade. While the proliferation of new niche models has undoubtedly expanded the brand's appeal, the latest 8 Series is a car that draws on the company's well-established luxury sports car expertise. It is a replacement for the capable yet aging 6 Series range and brings with it much improved dynamic ability and the latest technological systems available. The M and the M850i xDrive. The name does not stand for marketing either. There are comprehensive mechanical and exterior changes that justify the tag, including an M Sport braking system, 20-inch alloy wheels with mixed-size tires, front spoiler extension to minimize front-end lift, large air intakes and an M-style rear spoiler. Aesthetically, the slim front and rear LED lights add a menacing and modern look to the package. The fronts can additionally be upgraded to the recently introduced laser light system. The unique central cutout in the roof section, heavily raked rear window and twin trapezoidal tailpipes further underline the sporting intentions of this big coupe. An M-carbon roof and M-carbon exterior package comprising of CFRP spoilers, diffuser and intake slats will also be on offer. The M850i xDrive uses an updated version of the now familiar twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 that does duty in a number of high-end BMWs. In this iteration it pushes out a very strong 523 horsepower along with 553 pounds-to-foot of torque. That is an increase of around 80 horsepower over the V8 650i xDrive and M550i xDrive thanks to newly developed twin-scroll turbochargers, optimized direct injection VALVETRONIC and double-VANOS systems. Exhaust gases are kept compliant with the latest emissions regulations via a gasoline particulate filter. The power is put down to all 4 wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission and despite weighing in at 4,478 pounds, all-wheel drive traction rockets up to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. This kind of performance lets it easily outpace the outgoing 650i xDrive and puts it level with some very fast sports coupes. The upcoming M8 with its 600 horsepower M5 shared powertrain is sure to raise the power levels to a whole new level. There are plenty of overpowered luxury sports cars out there though. Both Audi and Mercedes offer pavement-shredding AWD rivals. But the USP of most powerful BMWs has been their ability to outperform rivals in dynamic ability. To this end the 8 Series was developed in parallel with the M8 and M8 GTE endurance racer. It benefits from a low center of gravity, well-balanced weight distribution, virtually lift-free body and a very stiff body and suspension structure. The lighter-weight body utilizes aluminum, magnesium and carbon fiber reinforced plastic similar to the carbon core used in the latest 7 Series. The M850i xDrive also comes standard with an adaptive M suspension system, integral active steering, rear axle differential lock and a sports exhaust system. Active roll stabilization will also be an available option. Clearly this luxury GT is much more than just a boulevard cruiser, but it is more than capable of cossetting its occupants in total luxury when required. The driver-controlled driving modes promise to deliver even more pronounced differences between modes. Wireless charging and a parking assistant add further to the list of conveniences on offer. The BMW digital key works on a NFC, near-field communication system which allows you to use your smartphone to access the car instead of a conventional key. Over-the-air software updates and BMW's connected app system will also be available. Now in this highly competitive market there are cars that offer a similar spread of talents, but the 8 Series brings its own unique blend of attributes to the segment. Sporty coupes like the Mercedes-AMG S-Class Coupe and AMG GT cover the ultra-luxury and track-focused spectrums respectively. Thanks for watching.